Imagine losing a $50,000 deal simply because you forgot to log a follow-up date in your CRM.
Oh, yeah. I mean, we've all felt that panic of dropping a ball.
Right. Well, as always, we're browsing the AIagentstore.ai website to uncover the latest tools. And today, we're focusing on the page for Carly AI.
Yeah, formerly Kelba, right.
Exactly. It's a freemium closed source tool, and it wants to ensure that kind of human error just, well, never happens. And it does it entirely from inside your inbox.
Which is huge. I mean, it completely bypasses the traditional software dashboard.
Right. No new tabs to open.
Exactly. Usually these tools force you into their own, separate ecosystem. But with Carly AI, you literally just email or CC it to trigger actions.
Okay, let's unpack this a bit because it's not just some basic autoresponder. It's kind of like having this invisible, hyper-efficient chief of staff living inside the email thread.
Yeah, or like a quiet stenographer in the corner of a meeting room.
Yes. Just passively reading the context, waiting for you to turn your head and say, hey, pull the lead data from this thread and file it.
And what's fascinating here is how that removes friction. It's fundamentally about cognitive load. I mean, context switching between an email thread and a CRM interface, it just drains executive function.
Oh, totally. Every time you leave the inbox to log a note, you break your flow.
Exactly. So by parsing the natural language in an email thread you're already CC'd on, Carly AI extracts that unstructured data and maps it directly to a CRM.
So you just stay in the conversation.
Right.
But okay, here is where it gets really interesting and maybe a bit concerning.
Oh.
Well, we're talking about a freemium, closed-source AI that requires full read access to an executive's inbox. Should founders or, sales managers actually trust an automated system to independently triage valuable leads?
I mean, that tension is exactly what developers in this space are trying to navigate right now. Handing a closed-source model the keys to your communication channel definitely requires trust.
Right, it's that security versus efficiency trade-off.
Exactly. But if we connect this to the bigger picture of how professionals actually scale their time, the logic holds up. You aren't handing over the final sign-off on a major contract.
Okay, so just the busy work.
Right. You're giving up control of the lightweight workflows. You just give it a high-level, plain English command like, research this company and update our records.
And it autonomously breaks that down?
Yeah, into sequential tasks. It does the research and enrichment without you babysitting the software.
So the user trades that inbox access for basically the ability to reclaim hours of their day.
That's the calculation, yeah. It handles the initial lead data gathering so you can focus purely on the high-stakes human elements of your job.
Which leaves me with this thought. If having an AI assistant silently CC'd on business emails becomes the new professional standard, how is that going to change the tone and transparency of our everyday human-to-human communications?
Oh, wow. Yeah, writing everything assuming a bot is reading it.
Exactly. Are we going to start formatting our casual emails just to make sure the bot categorizes them correctly?
It definitely changes the entire dynamic of the conversation.
Something to think about the next time you hit reply. Anyway, if you want to check this tool out for yourself, you can find the link at AIagentstore.ai.
Highly recommend taking a look.
And as always, thank you so much for rating the podcast. We really appreciate it. Catch you next time.